Those are such cool stickers. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, the creature from the Black Lagoon. So I'm not taking it out of the cello or taking it out of the case to show you better, but if you look at the teeth, you want to make sure they have nice sharp teeth like that. And what's really cool about this dispenser here has this cool tattoo that matches it. I really like it. 2 multi-flavor packs of candy. Cool sticker again. And it's like a pearly green color stem. Very cool. With the non-shadowed lettering. So this is a very cool, rare in the cello dispenser. And I thought I would share it with everybody. You can see the ends of the fins there.
Those can break off.
So that's what you want them to look like. Very cool. So until next time.